I said I am dying of curiosity.
Is it gonna blow up or not?
Dare motorul. Eu am avut toată viața mea Mercedes.
Du-te, mă, deci. A avut el toată viața lui.
Ia uite și tu unei lanț. Da, uite.
Hei!
Aduc leștele ăla al mare, al albastru. Și o pungă de plastic din casă. Să uitai. Nu te uiți în ea să vezi dacă nu e la...
Wait a minute.
Amă că știu eu, tu crezi că eu la mea cum fac? Nu ne faci decât cu leștele.
Pressure, pressure.
Cât bani mi-a
Well, it will do the job just now. Like, stop sending me for shit. Why don't you have your shit ready? Oh man, this works.
It takes about 10 or 15 minutes to extract oil out of the car, unless you have to interrupt the process to empty the tank and then commence again. Some engines may take a lot more oil or just a little more oil than the capacity of the vacuum pump, so keep that in mind. Other than that, the process of extracting the oil with the compressors was excellent. It was easy to hook up, and you just use the valve, and you can see here as the oil travels through the hose. We got this because this car doesn't have the knob or the screw to release the oil from underneath. You can stick around for the oil replenishing process and emptying the tank into the oil container.
Empty! Well, now we know. It only took 17 minutes. Public needs to see.
Da, mă, ăsta,
Yeah. Here.
all of it is gonna fit.
Oh my God. We're gonna put it through the oil thing or through the... Now, skills that kills right there. But I think it's enough. Or not. No, it's not. It's not. Do you need the gaskets?
Ăștia sunt bășit. Okay.
Is it gonna blow up or not?
After using the EWK vacuum oil pump extractor, I'd like to say that it's a great tool for a 5-minute oil change. And along with a compressor, speeds up the process and does the work for you. And if I would have it my way, I would like to get my hands on a Hitachi Quiet compressor to make the complete package. Links are in the description.